A third research design is a comparison study. A comparison study is a study of the relationship between two or more variables done for two or more entities at the same point in time. The logic of this research design is that comparison of the occurrence of the same social phenomena in two or more cases, whether they're organizations, community groups, families, or nation states, helps us to better understand the phenomena under study. Cross-cultural research and cross-national research are two typical forms of comparison studies. Comparative studies are used to answer questions such as, are social entities, groups, situations, texts, or other foci of research different? Is the relationship between variables X and Y the same in entity A as it is in entity B? In 1997, sociologists Kelly and DeGraff set out to understand more about what determines religion. They began with the hypothesis that a country or society in which one is raised has an important effect on religious beliefs, and they deduced this hypothesis from already existing studies. People born into religious nations will, in proportion to the orthodoxy of their fellow citizens, acquire more orthodox beliefs than otherwise similar people born into secular nations, is the point of view that Kelly and DeGraff began with. They examined a very large survey of 15 countries in which they measured religious orthodoxy based on answers to 4 survey questions, based on the answer to questions about the respondents' belief in God, past beliefs about God, how close the individual feels to God, does the individual believe God cares about everybody? And they classified the 15 nations on a scale of 1 to 4, looking at the scale of secular to religious orientation. As a result of their research, based on survey research done in 15 nations, Kelly and DeGraff were able to conclude that their hypothesis is broadly confirmed, that a country or society in which one is raised has important effects on one's religious beliefs.